Da helfen wir doch gleich mal mit.
Nur los jetzt.
Geht's? So.
Ah.
Haben wir schon.
Oh mein.
Hoppala.
Das ist schon gut, danke. Wo kommen Sie her?
Braucht man noch mehr Holz?
Nein. Bloß zum Anzeigen ein bisschen Klons habe ich gekriegt.
Mhm.
Abends sind wir auch.
Ja.
Ist ja schon warm.
Jetzt bin ich gerade vorbeigefahren und dann habe ich sie gesehen. Jetzt habe ich gedacht, dann helfe ich gleich mal ein bisschen mit. Ne?
Also, solche Leute findet man selten.
Ja, ein bisschen an Anstand ist schon noch drin bei mir.
Ja, aber ich bin in Australien, wenn sie so ein extra hätten.
Ja.
Oh mein, jetzt müssen ihnen doch ein paar schenken.
Ich? Mir?
Ja,
Nein, überhaupt nichts.
das will das so nett sein, ein paar Mal.
Das passt schon so.
Gell, ich gebe ihnen ein paar Mal.
Nein, Schmarrn, überhaupt nicht. Wo soll ich denn hier?
Lass mal liegen, das trinke ich nicht.
Passt schon. Nein, passt schon, echt wirklich. Ich brauche nichts.
Ich hoffe es noch.
Nein, wirklich nicht.
Ein paar Mal gebe ich ihnen jetzt. Das ist
Ich mir halt wirklich kein Geld.
Nein, das ist mir Ehre wert. Jetzt.
Da sage ich, vergeht's
so
Gott.
viel.
Dankeschön.
Also, was arbeiten Sie?
Ja, brauchst du noch weiterhelfen, oder?
Nein, das kann ich nicht so gerne tragen. Also nochmal vielen Dank.
Ich wünsche Ihnen einen schönen Tag.
Ja, das wünsche ich auch, dass ich mir gut durchkomme.
Ja, danke.
Schließe Sie im Gebete ein.
Let me help you, friend, so you don't get run over. Come here. Say hi. I'll go take him over here. Don't steal my bike, guy that's walking by me. I'm gonna go save this turtle. I'm getting yelled at by geese. Be quiet, I know. I'm not supposed to be down here. Go, go, be free. Enjoy the water, painted turtle. Nice guy motorcyclist. Saves painted turtle.
How's it going, man? How you doing? Do you need a water or anything? Do you want a water bottle or anything? I got some extra on me if you need one.
I'll take it.
Okay, I got you. You doing all right today?
Yeah, how about you?
I'm doing all right, no complaints.
Let's get in the bike, man.
Yeah.
What kind of bike is it?
It's a Rebel 250. Are you allergic to peanuts?
No.
All right, here you go, man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem. I know, it gets hot out here, man.
What you say it is, man?
What's up?
What kind of bike is it?
Rebel 250.
Rebel 250.
Yeah, it's like the small ones, like, you know, when you take the class to learn how to ride. It's one of those. It's my first bike, though, but yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah. I saw you standing over here. See, maybe you wanted to water or something.
Yeah, I can use it, yeah.
Yeah.
So you feel comfortable with it?
Yeah, I do. I just got it like a couple weeks ago, but
Okay.
yeah. Just taking it slow.
You already know how to ride them on the...
Yeah, I do. I've rid dirt bikes and stuff. Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
All right, man. Well, you have a good day now.
Thank you, man.
I'm Eddie, by the way.
Who?
Eddie.
I'm Harry.
Nice to meet you, Harry. All right, have a good day, man.
Right guys, so today's video I'm gonna try and make people smile by giving them a rose for happiness, a pink rose, which means happiness.
Excuse me, would you like a rose? Would you like a rose? Just making people happy today. So I thought I'd give out some roses. There's one. Would you like one? Have a nice day. Excuse me. Excuse me. Would you like a rose? Would you like a rose? Would you like a rose? Have a nice day. Excuse me. Would you like a rose? Have a nice day. Would you like a rose? Would you like a rose?
What's this in aid of?
I just want to make people smile today.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, that was lovely.
Do you want one? Would you like a rose? Would you like a rose? Would you like a rose? We've got some fawns on that. Have a nice day. Right. See ya.
Oh.
So that to do that.
For Singles Awareness Day, I will be passing out little conversation hearts. Thank you. You're welcome. Alright, one down. It is the next day. Have a good one. Have a good one. Have a good one. That's my YouTube's on there, so check it out. Nothing. Check out my YouTube.
You want a warm drink? Would you like a warm drink?
Oh, I'd love a small cortado.
More cortado?
Please.
No problem.
3 sugars.
No problem. Can I get a caramel cortado, small please? Yeah. Takeaway please. There you go, bud.
Oh, I really appreciate it.
No problem.
God bless you.
I just can't help it when people are on the streets and, you know, it's this cold. And
No,
it's something I just want to do for other people.
God bless you, mate. Appreciate it.
What's your name?
Jake.
Jake, I'm Seth.
Nice to meet you, Seth. You're a lovely guy.
Did you have a good Christmas before?
Yeah, it wasn't that bad considering.
Yeah.
Nice. All the best.
Not a problem. See you later, pal.
All the best. Happy New Year.
You too.
Hello guys, DirtBike Lunatic here. First of all, thanks for watching this video. I hope you will like it as we do. That's why we are recording this audio, to make sure you go and subscribe to all of channels that gave us permission to use their video. Hit like and subscribe to my channel as well. Enjoy!